Well, good morning, YouTube. Saturday morning at about 4:30, coming up on it. July 27th of 2024. So, yay, Saturday morning. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. I got hit right at 3 a.m. with a rush. Had 5 rooms come in for one guy, and another person come in, and then right after I got my audit started and finished, another guy came in. So I actually ended up with like 7 rooms in about a 20-minute, 30-minute period. Had to have one of them wait while my audit finished. It is what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna probably dig up the number for the gun show, and I've got it somewhere. I just need to find it and go ahead and schedule having a table at it for October. And yeah, I'm sitting on bumped up to 124 subscribers, so thank you. Appreciate you coming by and listening and hitting the subscribe and like buttons. Please do. Please also leave a comment. Somebody said they was from Cebu, and to hurry up and get over here, because not everybody who talks about it gets there. I understand that happens. I'm planning on getting there. I'm in the process of selling stuff off and waiting for my Social Security to hit. That's why I'm getting my things in, all my ducks in a row, so I can get over there and do it right. I don't want to, sell my house and then have to live off the money from my house while I'm waiting for my Social Security to come in, and then, have to have, a problem with it and have to come back here and burn more money for flights. I'm going to make sure my money is going right before I take and head out, and But yes, I plan on landing in Cebu roughly mid-June, plus or minus. I'm hoping it doesn't get this far, like July. I'd like to leave out sometime late May, early June, mid-June. That's the best timing for me so far, but looking at the price of the airlines, it'd be cheaper to get out earlier. We'll see. But yes, thanks for the comment. What else? Yeah. Got things to take care of. I'm going to go over to the farmer's market and get a little bit of veggies and such. Little red potatoes through the air fryer is quite good, especially if you put a little butter on them and melt up some butter, dip them in the butter, and roll them around in some seasoning and throw them in there. Yeah, pretty good. So yes, and it's probably what I'm going to do tomorrow morning. I really need to get away from the potatoes, though. Starch is higher sugar content than what I need. It'd be better if I ate the sweet potatoes, but I don't have anybody at the farmer's market that's popping out sweet potatoes. I had some grow one year that I did in my garden, but yeah, we'll see. That's something I'm not afraid to eat. I like sweet potatoes, and apparently they've got a lot of them, and they're popular in the Philippines. So I'll have a few options over there for them. Sweet potatoes are actually not as starchy, sugary as the white potatoes. I don't know why, but supposedly they're healthier for you. So it is what it is. So yeah. But then again, it's back to, I actually planted asparagus because I like asparagus. And, it takes a long time for asparagus to get right. I've got, a couple little patches that put up a little bit, and I can get a couple of batches of asparagus come early spring. I get, I don't know, 3 to 4, and then sometimes I will pick out a few of them and cut them back because they're bigger, and then have it send off another shoot because I'm not worried about that one getting bigger. But I can get another harvest off of it if I whack the top and then let it grow again, and then whack the top, let the next one come up and let it grow. So yeah, I do that on occasion also with the larger ones. It's usually a thinner batch, but it is what it is. And we've got a truck coming by with the Jake brake. Woohoo! Yeah, noise. My guests are used to it, and I don't even notice it half the time. I just happen to have my head back here under the window and heard him as he came by. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah. The more I think about it, the more I want to wrap up some of my seeds and mail them to myself. Because, it's my garden seeds, some of them have been, I got my little jalapeno peppers. I've been doing them for, 15 years, something like that. Had them for quite a while. Been just raising them up and choosing the ones I like the most and saving those seeds. And they are, to me, the best jalapenos I've had in a long time. I'm really missing the fact that I didn't plant any this year. I did send them, 3/4 of them over to my aunt and about 1/4 of them over to my niece. Hopefully they enjoy them and get some peppers out of the deal and decide to keep growing them. Yeah, I don't know about you, but I like gardening. It is what it is. And, I have heirloom peppers and heirloom tomatoes that I've been growing here for 15 years. 12, 15 years. The tomatoes, 12, 15, 12. Yeah. Because I do like tomatoes. And don't get me wrong, these are Purple Cherokee, heirloom brand anyway. But these are ones that have shown the ability to constantly grow and produce here in the Panhandle of Texas. Now, something most folks don't know is tomatoes are actually a desert plant. Most folks don't know that. The original tomatoes and such were, kind of partial to growing in conditions like I have here. And, the more mulch and stuff you have in the ground, the better it is for them. But, they are a hard plant to kill if you've got them a good set of roots. And, yeah, they can survive. They might not produce as much, but they'll survive. Of course, another member of the tomato family is nightshade. Yeah, not a good one to find. And yeah, it is what it is. But that's the family. We don't get to choose our family. It is what it is. But yes, Tomatoes and Nightshade, they're family members. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah. I would like to be able to bring a few seeds with me, but apparently trying to get seeds into the Philippines is a three-ring circus, having to go through their Department of Agriculture for something, and oh, hey, I don't know. I may see after I get there and figure out all the process for it. I don't think I just want to show up with seeds, though. Seeds in a form, it's a guess. Yeah, I don't think so. But yeah, watched Paul Old Dog New Tricks had a video about getting money over there, and the Medicaid payment. Both of them had some good points. But yeah, me personally, I don't know. I'm kind of want to keep my banks over here because I'm used to them, and I can always call and talk to them and give them all the information that they need to take and get me back up and going. So my banking, of course, I've been doing banking at the same bank for, good lordy, well, I've been here now 20 years. I think 18, 17 years of it has been with them. Yeah. I have a tendency to want to go with what works and what's good. And my bank, I don't like banks. I usually hate banks because, well, most banks just ain't worth it. My bank here is worth it. It's a little regional bank here in the Panhandle of Texas. They've been around for, 150 or something years, 120, 150 years. They've been around a while. They ain't going anywhere anytime soon. And, they definitely are a fairly conservative type bank. They don't loan out, and they have a tendency to take care of their customers. So those customers that actually get to come there and, have them as a bank have a tendency to stay. And, yeah, I think my aunt's also been there for 40 years. So maybe even more than that. Might be 60. So yeah, having a good dependable bank is important, and I don't think I would want to move I might open up an account over there and then just have my bank transfer to that bank. But I'll have to find a place I want to actually stay long enough to, to have a bank in one place and have it be my bank. So, banking, all those kind of headaches. Anyway, it is what it is, and it's all a big thought process and a bunch of brain cells bouncing around, trying to figure out what's going on. Yeah. I saw a meme on that today. All the villains from the old TV show, Batman, the Riddler, the Joker, Penguin, and Cat Lady or something. Anyway, all of them, or Poison Ivy, I don't remember which. But anyway, they were all there, and it was like my brain cells coming together. Yeah, I thought it was cute. Wish I had it to post here. I done went and left it, but mentioning my brain cells bouncing around. That's what that meme was about, and yeah. Anyway, I hope everybody has an enjoyable weekend and has a lot to eat. Anyway, I'm William from Williams, Philippines. Later blessings, bye-bye. Enjoy your weekend and your food. I am Fish, and hey, Fish is out.